Using the Talent Flow Analysis survey tools to review survey data. The Talent Flow Analysis survey helps networks identify where employers historically source their most qualified talent and analyze the capacity of those sources, as well as untapped talent sources, to meet projected demand. With the Talent Flow Analysis survey, you can map hires' demographic information, recruitment sources, prior employment, and education information. Data collected will display in a variety of graphs, including grid flow by source, job-to-job flow, demographic display, and visual flow. The Talent Flow Analysis survey is a strategy for a web tool feature. Survey tools can be used by host organization and collaborative administrator users. Collaborative administrator users will only have access to the surveys for the collaboratives they are associated with. To begin using the survey tools, access your list of surveys by clicking Manage, then Create and Manage Surveys. For closed and draft surveys, you can use the Settings button to archive surveys you are no longer using, clone a copy of an existing survey, or edit the survey. For public surveys, the Settings button will allow you to clone a copy of an existing survey or edit the survey. If you select the Edit option for a public or closed survey, you will be directed into the Survey Settings page. From here, you can view an online preview of the survey by clicking the View Survey Questions button. You can also download a PDF of the survey by clicking the Download button. For closed surveys, you can share the results to the TPM library by clicking the Share Results to Library button. Additionally, surveys can be closed, opened, or archived from the Survey Settings page. To view the survey data, you will access the Survey Data tab. The Survey Data tab will allow you to download an Excel sheet of all submitted responses. Users can also view survey data in a variety of graphs and tables by using the various tabs. If demographic information was included, the grid flow graph will include a graph for each demographic surveyed and a graph for each recruitment, employment, and education source. In addition to the graphs, you will also be provided a grid flow of all hires entered. For all graphs across the tabs, you can download them by clicking the three lines located above the graph and selecting the format that you would like to download the graphs in. The job-to-job flow graphs are available for surveys that were set up to collect flows of internal talent. These graphs represent the flow of talent for each. The graphs can help you identify common flows of talent flow upskilling tracks. It also provides you with graphs for each prior employment position held by hires uploaded to the survey. The demographic display graphs are available for surveys that were set up to include demographic information. These graphs provide a breakout of demographic data for each recruitment, employment, and education source. The visual flow graphs provide a visual flow of the intermittent relationships between the recruitment source, prior employer, and education sources. This is not a chronological representation of the hires. The other question graphs are available if you associated other questions to your survey. This tab will provide you with data tables and graph overviews of the data collected. To see the survey responses by each employer collaborative, select the Survey Responses tab. This will allow you to see a list of users who were invited to complete the survey and the completion status of their survey. For surveys that have been submitted, you will have the option to download a PDF of the survey results by clicking the Download button next to that user's information. You have now successfully used the survey tools to review the data within the TPM web tool. Next, learn how to manage and merge talent providers.